Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We just experienced a very turbulent March in 2020. We hit 5 times circuit break in March alone, and we have seen so many institutional investors liquidating their stock portfolios, so as some retail investors. However, from the week of March 23rd to 27th, we experienced about 3 days of bear market rebound. Even so, the future of the stock market is still uncertain at this point of time. Nobody can predict whether or not we just hit the bottom of the stock market or it will get worse in the near future. So this is the time for me to give my March income report. For those of you who don't know me, I'm both a long-term dividend investor as well as a short-term stock market trader. In today's video, I will go over with you the details, my paper loss at M1 Finance, my dividend earnings, my profit from tradings, my buying activities, and also the emergency fund deposit that I put in. I put actually a huge chunk of my profit into my emergency fund just to prepare for the uncertain future. Please like and comment to support my YouTube channel and then to help with the YouTube algorithm. If you still have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and then hit that notification bell because I produce 2 to 3 videos every week to talk about stock market and then investment. Without any further ado, let's get started. Here is the summary for my March 2020 income. The total income was $23,521.26. About 4% of this total income was from passive income. 96% was from my active trading, which is active income. Passive income was from dividend earnings, fully paid lending programs, and some high yield interests at the savings. Dividend earnings at M1 Finance was $316.47. From E-Trade was $276.82. Fully paid lending program at E-Trade was $114.18. High yield interest earnings from different banks was $251.74. Total passive income in March was $959.21. My active trading earning was about $22,562.05. My paper loss at M1 Finance was about 17.44%. Numbers was about minus $12,453.42. The money I put in dividend investment portfolios was about $5,908.90 during the market crashes. And I also put $19,500 into my emergency fund to earn current interest rate at about 1.5%. This is my realized gain in my E-Trade taxable account. Total realized gain was $17,017.88. The fees that I paid was about $41.84. And I traded multiple trades for D-Gas, DRIP, DWT, JNUG, SDOL, Tesla, bunch of TVIX, lots of TVIX, and UDOL. So that's the total earnings I have, and then this is the total I spent, and this is total I gained. This is a margin account. Once again, if you don't know what is margin account, is that you don't have to obey the PDT rule. Then the money you trade, it will come back to you right away in the same day. So it allows you to trade multiple times. But I don't borrow money from the margin account. I only use the margin to facilitate my trading. This is my second account with E-Trade. This is a Roth IRA account. From March the 1st to March the 31st, total gain was about $3,920.58. The total fees I paid was $15.69. BND I didn't trade, I just simply sold it. I traded the D-Gas and DRIP. I traded a DWT. I traded Gilead, Johnson & Johnson, Estor, TQQQ, Tesla, TVIX, and Udor. This is not a margin account, so I have to be very careful. Don't over trade, and then don't put in too much amount of trading, and then hopefully I have some extra cash each day if I decide to trade, because it's a Roth IRA account, so all the gains are tax-free money. This is my third account, which is a rollover account at E-Trade. The total realized gain I made was $1,623.59. Total fee I paid was $6.56. So it's a rollover account, so the earnings are tax deferred. So I traded DRIP, DWT, Johnson & Johnson, NEM, Estor, TVIX, and Udor. I try to raise cash again in the Roth IRA and then rollover account because of the tax benefits. I want to raise as much as I can, but I want to do it slowly. So I trade in 3 different accounts, mainly taxable account, and then Roth IRA account, and then rollover account. These are the dividend earnings that I made at E-Trade with my taxable account. The total amount was $141.71. E-Trade has true DRIP program, which means whenever your dividend pays out, it will automatically purchase fractional shares of the same security for you. So you don't have to worry about buying again. It will do it for you automatically. So the dividend earnings was from Ford, Pfizer, Dow Inc., Key Corporation, Stag, eBay, Southwest Airline, Home Depot, Gladstone Investment Corporation, and SPHD. Those are the amount of earning in green, and then those black and minus was the repurchase amount. These are the dividends I earned from a Roth IRA account at E-Trade. Dividend earnings total was $135.11. Again, those dividend earnings are tax-free money. And also, it does have DRIP program. It will reinvest your dividends into your original security and then compound the interest and earn more dividends in the future. So that's the great part of dividend investing. The dividends I received were from BND, BGCP, Key, MAIN, VPU, Main Street Capital, EPR, GLPI, AMC, SU, and Broadcom, GLAD, and then SPHD. These are the dividend earnings for my taxable account at M1 Finance. I have quite a bit of dividend earnings. Total amount at this taxable account was $106.28. They are from VNQ, McDonald's, Stag Fund, GLPI, GM, Waste Management, CME, HD, Lockheed Martin, Throw, Gain, AVGO, SPHD, LTC, LAMR, Travelers, VTI, VYM, O, Key, Dow, Microsoft, Six Flags, NOC, Target, Johnson & Johnson, and Wells Fargo. Dividends for my Roth IRA account and at M1 are from Pepsi, LAMR, Gain, DLR, AVGO, Lockheed Martin, LVS, HD, CME, GLPI, Fund, Stag, McDonald's, EPRO, Key, CCL, Microsoft, Delta, NOC. Total amount I added up was $65.24. For my traditional IRA account, the total dividend in March was $114.95. They are from Key, VPU, VOO, AVGO, SPHD. I also spent about $5,900 in 3 accounts that I'm holding with M1. So about $1,900 something in each account. And I purchased almost on the same day and same time. For my taxable account, I have those buys. There are too many buys to show you. Just click one. For example, the M1 Finance, I just let a robo advisor to calculate everything for me according to my holdings, and then the percentage that I allocated to each holdings. Those are the buy amount, and then buying securities that are executed for me automatically after I put in the order. For example, on March the 3rd, 34 buys, and total was $323.30. I just wanted to end today's video by saying that the stock market going up and down, that's the nature of the investment, especially in this market turmoil. You cannot expect everything will go green all of a sudden. When you do dividend investing, doesn't matter market crashes, dividend is always there for you. It's a comforting effect in a way, although some companies may cut dividends or holding on your dividends for temporary period of time, but eventually when market does recover, it will go rebound. Your stock portfolio will show the positive and green again. So don't be panicked. Do not do buy high and sell low. Just hold on to it. When you sustain the most difficult time in stock market, you will be rewarded handsomely in the future. If you liked today's video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share the video with whoever you think will be benefit from today's video. And also do not forget to smash that notification bell so you'll be the first one to know when my new video comes out. Thank you.